Scott caught most of it.
Oh man. Good shot.
I didn't see your boot. Get snow till you drop. Fail.
Miss.
Joshy, make snowballs and throw them at Sammy.
Yeah.
Sammy, that snowball. No, Sammy. Joshy, take this one. And throw it as hard as you can at Sammy. And Jacob. Bring it on, Mr. Ron.
No, you don't hit the woman with the camera.
Bring it on. Come on, Bethany, right? Oh, you do chicken. Your mom is. Can't feel my hand. Josh hit Jacob. Or Joshy. Joshy hit Jacob.
Van.
Get him. Aim. Without falling down, Bethany.
You ain't got no traction up there.
Careful, I don't want to go to the emergency room.
Yeah.
Oh.
How did you miss that?
Josh, you put your glove on. A little more snow for a snow angel, though.
Who hit me? Someone.
Snow angel.
Someone.
Snow angel.
Yeah. Nice you can see.
Ooh. Ooh, it's coming down hard.
Oh.
I'll face this way.
Should
have like a fake microphone. Jim Cantori, the Weather Channel.
Oh.
Snowstorm 2010 is blasting through here. Midland to South Carolina. We're here. In, where are we?
Columbia.
We're in far northeast Columbia, right outside of Blythewood, and it's really coming down hard.
Run, Forrest, run!
New York is actually looking.
Where'd the kids go? The other.
Alright. Don't hit me, Scott.
You can make one bigger than a Smurf now.
Oh.
Yeah. Alright, Steve.
Yeah.
I was hard, I didn't see where that thing went.
Snowball?
Yeah, I want that big.
Wait here.
Mom, I want to snowball that's big, big, big.
You do? Look at me. Look at Mommy. Come here, turn around.
Joshy.